Yeah, late last year, nag-connect na ako sa different cooperatives nationwide, even the federations. Nag-post na kami sa Facebook na these cooperatives are looking for drivers. Kasi as of now, naghahanap na ng drivers ang ating mga cooperatives. They really need drivers, no? Tapos pagkatapos ng consolidation, definitely magkakaroon ng mga bagong sasakyan sila because ang isang sasakyan, they could have at least 2 drivers. Tapos hindi lang drivers, meron pa itong mga parang pahinante. So yung job creation or rather job dito sa programa, sa cooperatives, dadami pa. Pwede talagang masalo yung mga drivers na kailangan ng trabaho because remember, ang nagko-consolidate are not the drivers. Decision to ng operators. So yung operators, may driver yan, pag ayaw niya mag-consolidate, ang target natin really are the drivers na mabigyan ng trabaho. And we feel that kakayanin natin. It will not be easy, but that will be our objective, especially sa OTC. Tulungan ang lahat, mabigyan natin sila ng trabaho as much as we can.